Hello, and welcome if you're a new viewer to my channel, and welcome back if you're one of my regular viewers. Today I'm going to share with you one of my favorite salad dressings. It's super simple, quick, and easy. The main ingredient is going to be lime juice. One of the reasons I like making my own salad dressing is that sometimes when you buy the store-bought dressing, they're a little bit too sweet or a little bit too sour, and this one is super light and tasty. In a bowl, combine 1 clove of minced garlic, 2 tablespoons of lime juice, 1 tablespoon of honey, and a 1/4 cup of olive oil. If you prefer not to use olive oil, you can use avocado oil, grapeseed oil. As long as the oil is light tasting, it would be perfect for this recipe. Add a 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper and a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Mix everything together and then set it aside. In a large bowl, combine 1 cup of lettuce with 1 cup of cucumbers, 1/2 cup of tomatoes, and 1 avocado, which is about 1/2 cup. Add a 1/4 cup of feta cheese. My son loves feta, so I'm just going to add a little bit more to my salad. Add the desired amount of salad dressing to your salad and then toss up the salad. Some people like a little bit less dressing and some people like a little bit more, so adjust this according to your own personal preferences. If you like this recipe, remember to click the like button and subscribe for more delicious recipes. Thank you for watching and see you next time.